What is software? Software is a digital tool that helps businesses work smarter, faster, and without errors. Instead of managing records in notebooks or complex spreadsheets, software stores, calculates, and organizes everything automatically. From creating bills, tracking sales, managing customers, to generating reports, software turns daily work into a smooth process. In simple words, software saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps your business grow. Why Logsys? At Logsys, we believe software should be easy to use, not complicated. That's why we built Logsys billing software with one clear goal: make billing simple for everyone, easy and user-friendly. No technical knowledge needed. Anyone can use it from day one. Fast billing, create bills in seconds and serve customers quickly. Accurate calculations, no manual errors, GST, totals, and discounts are handled automatically. Designed for real businesses, perfect for small and medium businesses who want simple, reliable billing without confusion. Our promise: with Logsys, you don't just get software, you get peace of mind, time savings, and a smarter way to run your business. Logsys, simple billing, smart business.